Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. If you're first shot at looking at our videos, hey, we are a custom crate engine builder. Everything we build here is from scratch, in-house. And again, if there's anything we can help you with, you give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. This one happens to be one of our 441 LS's, made over 700 horsepower. Again, all custom built in-house. Give us a call if we can help you. Peace. How's that for firing up? Down, beautiful. Oil pressure, the bars are perfect, everything looks good. Here's our final pass.